who is the woman in this? Who is the wife in this relationship? Okay. Now, who is the husband? Oh, beautiful. So you guys understand. So we start now. Eric and Jessica. Between the two of you, who was the first person to say I love you? Hey, Mr. Loverman. Aww. Beautiful. Bring it down. You got it. Between the two of you, who is more prayerful? No, you bring one up. Bring one up. The groom has raised the son. I don't understand. This one you are confusing us. Okay. Break it down. Between the two of you, who is likely to be a stricter parent? Who will be picking well? Hey, what she knows herself. Okay. Between the two of you, who eats junk food the most? She knows. Beautiful. Between the two of you, who always says I'm sorry after an argument? Hey, this guy not go. That's fine. Between the two of you, who will solve maths assignments for the kids? Jessica, that's all you know about us? Yay. Okay. Between the two of you, who is more stubborn? You know they agree. You want climb here? Hey, that's only thing loud. Between the two of you, who is a better cook? Between me and my wife, I cook past my wife. Who is more playful between the two of you? Playful. Organic you two play. Who is the first to always doze off while watching a movie? Please. I don't understand. When they sleep together, between the two of you, who is likely to survive the Squid Game? Survival. Okay. Let me ask two more. Who spends more money? As if money just enter like this, they like to be spent. You know, some people control spending. Madam, we're waiting for you. Don't confuse us now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, the last question before Mr. Eric gives us his vote of thanks and asks this. Between the two of you, this night, who will make the first move? Hey! Mover and shaker! Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to them. So, honestly, ladies and gentlemen, I welcome the newest Mr. in town for his vote of thanks. Please, a round of applause for Mr. Eric! The best man. Okay, let's have the toast first. After the toast, I call on. Please, can we have the best man for his toast? Please, a round of applause. A round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
And Jessica, since we are all very important personalities, I'll do a very brief summary. So, the story behind Jarek 2021. Jarek is from Jessica and Eric, as we all know. It started exactly 7 years ago. For those that are very strong believers, I'm a Christian. 7 is a number that stands for what? Stands for what? I can't hear you. Stands for what? I thought we were all drinking Coke. 7 stands for what? Beautiful. So, this journey started about 7 years ago. And myself and Eric, we just finished, we just started our work life. We finished service, right? We've been working for some time. And then he told me, we're living together, so he told me someone, his classmate, he was doing his master's program, he said his classmates needed him to vote for his brother that was in a pageantry, right? it was an online thing, the voting was via Facebook. So he casted his vote and he decided to just go through the gallery to see, okay, who the contestants, who they were. And he came across a particular lady. Her name was, on that pageantry, her name was Jezcute, Jezcute. And Eric was like, I voted for the person I was supposed to vote for. Then I started flipping through and I saw someone on that gallery list. She was one of the models, or rather the contestants for the pageantry. And since then, Eric could not make a complete sentence without putting Jezcute. Take for example, our prepaid meter token is finished. Eric will say, we need to renew our prepaid meter token. But that's true. This Jezcute girl I saw, I've been doing so many research about her. I need to know this girl. And I'm like, Eric, you have voted for the person you are supposed to vote for. What's up with Jezcute? But to cut the long story short, my friend has very good research skills. He did some research about Jezcute, and for some reason, he convinced me that for him to have proper sanity, he had to find a way to just know who Jezcute was. So he slid into a DM. For the 40s and below here, we understand the act of sliding, right? Right? So he slid into a DM and said, hi Jezcute, your page looks so fantastic, blah 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 blah. So after so many weeks, there was a response, and we were so happy that he got a response. So I'll just fast forward the whole story. Along the line, we got a number, they started talking, and it took, I'm not exaggerating, it took almost, because this started April 2014, it took almost another 7 months for him to meet this Jezcute physically, right? And I'm very particular about that 7, and you understand why. This happened April 2014. So they met sometime around November, December 2014 for the first time, and they spoke. And since then, Eric was like, I've met my wife. And I was like, for real? So he can't say I've met my wife, but the irony was that Jezcute, as we're seeing here, yes, her dance steps are so well, but she's in the medical profession. And she made it so clear to my friend that she can't have any marriage conversation until she's done with her academics. And my friend, being a very result-oriented guy, very self-driven, very patient, he knows what he wants, and he was like, if your class is going to take 20 years, I'll be here waiting for you. And I'm so delighted today. I can't start giving you the nitty-gritty of the whole story. Yes, it's been so rosy, they had their challenges, but exactly 7 years, 7 months down the line, I'm here witnessing these two individuals making the best couple that the world is yet to experience. I am a proud person in this occasion, and I bring to you Eric and Jessica. I'm not trying to steal the show, but it's something you all don't know. Today is also my wedding anniversary. Right? So I dedicate our chairs to Eric and Jessica. So, and it wasn't planned. Forget that it's my best friend. It wasn't planned. It was just a coincidence, right? So please, can everyone